Welcome, everybody. It's the 5th November. Very exciting, special day today. Looking at the daily has been basically coming down, retracing. Now, the results are probably going to be announced by evening, New York session. But up until then, we could expect some things happening, some volatility happening in the markets. That's expected. I'm not going to say that it's going to be something like NFP or CPI or FOMC because, like, we've all for the people who have never traded elections, what we saw from 2016 was that when Trump got in, we had a wake up, price moved up for a day, and then we continued to move down for the next, 10, 11 days, right? But we can only look at it from a technical perspective at this point now. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we're just going to do simple analysis, nothing crazy, simple analysis because like price action respects market structure. Whatever news happens, market structure is the first thing that comes to our mind that okay, does this make sense technically? So first we need to do just like point out some levels. You got a level on gold 1 hour time frame 27.47. You got another one around 27.38. We break above 27.39. You have like a 75 pip range for price to move up. Currently, we are rejecting an area. Let's take a look at this on the 30-minute time frame. So this is an area that supposedly is being rejected. Looking at this to the left-hand side, this is the information that we find. Now looking to the left-hand side, we are coming to a support area, basically support, support, and then right over here, support. Okay. If you do break below that area, you have another support around 27.18 in which price can move into. 27.18. Let's mark this up, extend it all the way to the right hand side. And this is sort of like a market structure we have now at this point. So if we do break and close below 27.27, you're looking at like a 94 pip range price to move up, move down. We break above 27.39, looking at price to continue to push up 77 pip range. Currently at this point, we are in this sort of like I was gonna say a consolidation type area, but we had price move down, made a clean candle. This was a like a 90, this is a 100 pip candle that moved down. So maybe we need some sort of a retracement. Oh, look at that. 15 minute. We have some more information now. Support right over here. Awesome, right? So we move down. The session trend moved down. Currently, we're pushing up. If we do create some sort of a resistance, I think we can continue to push down. But if we do create resistance and we break that resistance, then we can continue to push up. You got like a 37, 35 pip range here for price to move up, basically, if that happens. So just gotta wait for some sort of a market structure to form on the 15 minute, especially because, this 115-minute candle moved about 80 pips. So it's a massive move. Have to wait for market structure. But yeah, exciting day today. Welcome to elections. A lot of you guys haven't seen this, man. So this is going to be the first time. So welcome. More fun to come if Trump wins. Let's see. All right, let's take a look at pound yen over here. If it loads here for okay, there we go. We loaded. Awesome. Let's take a look on the daily time frame. Daily is basically daily is not really going anywhere. This is the zone we had from yesterday. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour is basically we're creating a support on the 4 hour. At the same time, we're creating a resistance on the 4 hour. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, let's adjust these zones further. We have resistance, and at the same time, we have support. We also, in the same way, we have another resistance up here on the top. So basically, this is what we're looking at on pound yen on the 1 hour time frame. Let's take a look on the 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute time frame now, we have some more information. Obviously, we have a resistance up at 197.650. And this area over here, this is just consolidation area at this point. And it does seem like we did break above this consolidation. Now price is trying to push up 21, 22 pips. Looking at 15 minute, yeah, these aren't enough ranges. I mean, pound yen is in a difficult scenario. The only clean thing I see, or a clean zone I see, is probably if we do break above 197, what's this, 197, 700, and we can continue to push up in this 56 pip range. Other than that, I mean, if we do say that this new 30-minute candle should break the previous high, this is like 16 pips. What are you going to do? For sells as well, it's very, very tough. We need some clean market structure on pound yen basically, because it's just trending sideways. There's a lot of volume that's supposed to come into the markets, and I think the market has just been waiting. Even with NFP, if you take a look at this, well, was this NFP? What was this? This wasn't NFP. NFP was on, what date was this? This was the first. The first. Yeah, man. Like I mean, even NFP, it didn't really do much. So, yeah, like a lot of pent-up volume waiting to come out. Wow, look at this 15 minute just trending up over here. Yeah, I need to see some sort of market structure resistance. So, let's see what happens. Exciting day today. Oh, by the way, we'll see you guys later on for the London session.